And I am assuring you, you will have fun.
Just come sit down. Just come. Okay, just come sit down. What? Just come sit down. What? You have to go through this one.
I want him to go with.
Sit down on the bench and wait.
Adam, come
I
on.
want to sit in the boat thing.
Come on, Adam.
I don't want to
You're
go
not
on
going to
the
get wet.
trip. I'm not going on. I'm not going on the ride. Still.
What we're going to do to force you to have fun, though.
I'm forcing him to go on
It's
it.
going to be the same as the hotel, Adam. Remember how you didn't want to go out, and then you did?
Adam, if you
Right,
keep saying it,
Andrew.
Adam, you're going, so.
Ethan. Adam, you go scan that.
Scan it.
Hey, Andrew, I need some club.
Right, other side.
Each card. Adam, card.
Going on the ride.
Buddy, it's gonna be fun.
Our river rides are more than just an exciting event.
It's not a scary ride, Adam. It's slow.
Message to visitors about preserving wild places, like a forest. All around the
You're gonna have fun, I can
in search of tropical
I go back.
Hold my hand.
I don't want to go back.
When this happens, the traditional life of
Hey,
village
you'll be fine.
is destroyed.
Well, Adam, I'm the biggest chicken in the world, and I'm going on it.
Evan went on it. If Evan went on
Yeah, Evan went on it.
I was not on it.
He did go
Evan is
on it.
Evan's done it. Evan's been on it twice now. All you do is you sit in a little round boat and you go down the water. That's it. It's not
If you
far.
can read me but cannot acknowledge, get this message to Malaysia or anyone on the staff. Tell them that Visa is only an emergency zone from this to there. They have moved over the help and are clear cutting next to the river. If you read this transmission, send someone up to the area or the Growling Rapids that you are might be able to follow our map there. There is a lot of
Mum's just got off.
information on the river. Please get this message to Malaysia.
Mom and sister are gonna force him to go on it. They're gonna outright say that it's that. It's fun, Adam. Yeah, you will.
Yeah, because people.
That's just the rain, Adam.
I don't want
It's
to
gonna be
go.
raining. You're gonna get
Adam, it's raining.
There's a waterfall.
It's raining, Adam.
Want me to kick you again?
Well, it's too late now, buddy.
Want me to kick you again?
Kinda? Kinda want you to continue me.
I want to go.
I want to go.
I wanna go. This is gonna be awesome. And this is a once in a lifetime opportunity.
I'll just wait
For
for
you.
you on the exit. No, not for me.
Adam, they already checked your ticket.
I'm not going. No. Okay, I'm gonna wait.
I can assure you, you will have fun.
I'm not having fun on this dumb ride.
It's damn right.
Dumb rides that are the funnest in the world.
Okay,
so scared.
Yeah, it's gonna rain. You're gonna get wet today.
It's gonna rain, Adam. I'm going to see where Evan is.
1, 2, 3, 4.
I don't want to go. Dad, just please, baby, don't go on the ride. Please, 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 please. No, please, I don't want to go for that ride.
How many?
It's fine. Hey, you will be perfectly fine. I can assure you of this. I'm gonna sit by Andrew.
I'm gonna twist this so much.
Okay, put this down for a second.
You're gonna get wet.
I know.
There's not really a point to doing that.
Okay, here you go.
So we can be safe. See you guys in a bit. I gotta go to face cam though.